After quite a wait, there we are. And the Alien Rider headlights have finally arrived, and finally I had time to put them on my motorbike. They are phenomenal, amazing headlights because I wanted something truly great for my KTM 1290. These are perfect for me. Probably in Italy it's a little known brand, but I found them in EICMA motorbike fair, and those are from Alien Rider. So it's a Chinese brand, and I must say it's not your typical Chinese stuff, but it's something really spectacular, with the attention to the smallest details, even just from the packaging. The packaging is really well done, everything is in the right place. Here in fact we see the two headlights, which are beautifully arranged, and then all the electrical parts are in this little box. So, this package includes all the accessories needed for the installation, starting with the lights, of course, which are pretty big, and they are housed in their own compartment. What I like about these headlights is that in addition to the two lenses that form the cornering lines, they also have this band on the back that lights up and turns yellow, making it highly visible even from behind. It goes without saying that it's well branded everywhere, so you can see the Alien Rider logo everywhere and you can recognize them everywhere. The headlight itself is nice and massive, made entirely of metal, some aluminium probably because it's also very light. Both are identified as right and left because the second reflector, which acts as a cornering line, tells us where to position them. Also you can find the R for right and L for left, so you can understand pretty easily where it goes. So let's put aside these two big headlights and see what's in the other little box. You can find all the electrical parts, wiring, control unit, the wall system to make our spotlights work at their best. They are more like headlights than spotlights. There are also the mounting brackets, which are really nice because they are all made of aluminium, the control unit and the cable. Let's start with the instructions. They are in English, but so easy, because they explain step by step how to connect all the various wires and with color and pin numbers here. So we have the other very important part of our electronic system, the control unit, that we can call the turning control unit. So I will show you later during the assembly part, but anyway, the turning control unit should be placed in the center of the handlebar. So it's important that it should be a flat part because it will understand if you are turning left or right, and so it will illuminate the blind part of the road according to where we are going, on the right or the left. And this one here, finally, it's our control unit that controls the headlights for turning. Here we have another set of much larger instructions printed on the cardboard, where they also show how to install the headlight brackets. Let's open all the packages because they are all well closed one by one. So this one here is the operating buttons for our system. And these two have a twilight sensor, so they turn on automatically. You can decide whether to control them manually or leave them alone in automatic mode. And so, if it goes down, if we enter a shaded area or something like a tunnel, they will turn on automatically. Here we have the entire Alien key kit. Very appreciated it. It's interesting, and I love this kind of thing, and I think they are always so useful. So thank you, Alien Rider. Then here we have the other little package with various cable ties. I think they are a bit too few, but anyway, I appreciate the gesture. And then here we have the thread locker. Really nice, thank you. And also the actual anchoring system. So we have the little brackets where the headlights are mounted, all made of aluminium, really beautiful, all branded. Very classy. They left nothing to chance, really. And here in this big package we have the second control unit, which controls everything the first control unit on the handlebar tells it. And then we also have the various buttons, and from here it connects to both the battery and the headlights themselves. Then here we have the cables with the color labels, and there's really a lot of them, so don't be afraid to say it's too short for my motorbike, because long enough. Then we also have the other cable with the fuse inside. Let's put it away, and last but not least, let's take the two packages left. Nothing more than the brackets to connect the headlights and the adapter needed for our various tubes, or wherever we want to place them on the bike. So they thought about everything, different sizes, different brackets. They are in the other packages, which I'll show you shortly. So that said, I'd like to congratulate again Alien Rider, because I never seen something like this so well crafted. I'm going to proceed with installing the headlights, but I leave that for the next video. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you, and bye everyone!